వచ్చారు? వై యూ చూస్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Because it's such a beautiful field. I think it's so amazing to be an artist, and it's so amazing to be creative. And I feel like film is such a beautiful amalgamation of all the art forms. And even as a child, I was really encouraged to. I learned Bharatanatyam from the time I was 5. My
ఓహ్!
mother sings classical music. My grandmother really encouraged me to, dance, to sing. To I used to be taken to art shows, to plays, to puppet shows, to all kinds of things. Like as a kid, I really was surrounded by art,
ఓహ్!
and I feel like in film, it's such a beautiful mix of everything. And I feel cinema is so timeless and so magical. So I wanted to be a part of this world, and somehow my family, like, they've always given me a lot of freedom, and I've never misused the freedom.
ఫ్రాంక్‌గా చెప్పండి. ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో అంటే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ చాలా లాంగ్వేజెస్‌లో వర్క్ చేశారు. సో, నెపోటిజం అనే పేరు చాలా ఎక్కువగా వైరల్ అవుతోంది. సో, దీన్ని మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారా? డు యూ యాక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ నెపోటిజం?
See, I feel it's a very, very misused word. Um, see, there are certain facts that we have to just. I mean, it's natural, right? If my family does a particular kind of work, it will be easier for me, or I will get more opportunities to join that work. Of course, it's only natural. But I feel once those opportunities are given, like suppose somebody from the movie industry gets 10 opportunities, I'll get one. But ultimately, we all have to prove ourselves. The audiences have to love us. We have to do the right films. We have to constantly, work hard and keep being relevant, reinventing ourselves, giving the audiences something that they are excited about. Ultimately, it ends up being about talent and hard work. But I'll not deny that, of course, it happens. Of course, there are these things like, suppose now on Twitter, if I put up something, I'll not have that kind of support of, you know, my uncles, aunts, whatever, who are part of the industry, because they are not part of the industry, whereas somebody else will have that kind of support. If I make a mistake and I'll fall and I'll hurt my knees. If somebody from the industry makes a mistake and they fall, there'll be a cushion to help them. But isn't that natural? So I know, as somebody who does not have support or help in the industry, that I just have to believe, be positive, work harder, and and keep doing good work. I mean, that's what is in my control. What is in not in my control is never going to be in my control. So I never regret it. I never crib about it. I always look at the positive. And today I can very confidently say that, okay, I might not be from the industry, but today, from the time that I've started till today, the kind of people that I have worked with have always loved me, have always protected me, have always had my back. They've always helped me with whatever advice I've needed. What do I have to crib about? I've worked with some of the best directors. I've had some of the best co-stars. I don't believe in cribbing. I think it's a waste of time to crib. I think it's so important to look at the positives, to celebrate the positives, and to thank the audiences every day, and the teams that create you and make you. I mean, isn't it more important to be grateful than to crib? For me, it's more important to be grateful than to crib. I'm very clear about that.
సో, మరి ఇన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్‌లో వర్క్ చేశారు. మరి ఇన్ని ఇండస్ట్రీస్‌తో మీకు పరిచయం ఉంది. ఎక్కడ మీరు కంఫర్టబుల్‌గా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు? అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ ఏది మీకు బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది? విచ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ సపోర్ట్స్ యూ మచ్ అండ్ వేర్ యూ ఫెల్ట్ మచ్ కంఫర్టబుల్?
Again, I'll say I've been very lucky, and I always say this, that I literally have guardian angels everywhere. I can go to any city, and I can call that city my home. I know in every city I have homes that I can go to where I will be like loved, fed, and they will be happy to have me there. Um, in fact, it's like a joke when I'm going to, like, say, Chennai or Hyderabad or whatever. It's like there's a joke amongst all of us. It's like, okay, who's she going to call first? And there's a competition. If I make that mistake of calling X before Y, it's like, how did you do this? So I laugh about it, and I also feel so, and I feel like that is, of course, amongst the industry, but even amongst audiences. Like, I have no complaints at all. It's people say it's so difficult to work in multiple industries. I literally am like sleepless, running from getting on one flight onto another. But I feel